Setting up a domain controller with FreeIPA and DNS on Alt Server 10, a technical deep dive. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be providing a technical deep dive into setting up a domain controller with FreeIPA and DNS on Alt Server 10. Tired of complex domain management? This tutorial provides a comprehensive step-by-step guide to setting up a robust domain controller using FreeIPA and DNS on Alt Server 10, perfect for system administrators and Linux enthusiasts seeking centralized identity management. FreeIPA, Identity, Policy, Audit, is an open-source identity management system providing centralized authentication, authorization, and account management. It leverages proven standards like Kerberos, LDAP, and DNS. This technical training will demonstrate how FreeIPA simplifies user management, enhances security, and streamlines compliance for your Alt Server 10 environment. Before diving into the installation, ensure your Alt Server 10 system meets the following prerequisites. A clean, minimal installation of Alt Server 10 is recommended for optimal performance and to avoid potential conflicts. Configure a static IP address for your server. This is essential for reliable DNS resolution and FreeIPA functionality. Assign a fully qualified domain name, FQDN, to your server, e.g. serverexample.com. Verify that your server can resolve its own FQDN, typically by editing the etc hosts file. The first step involves installing the necessary FreeIPA server and DNS packages using Alt Server's package manager. This demonstration utilizes apt, but adapt the commands if your Alt Server 10 installation uses a different package management system. Execute the following commands to update the package list and install the required packages. Sudo apt get update followed by sudo apt get install FreeIPA server DNS. This command retrieves the latest package information and installs the FreeIPA server and DNS components. With the packages installed, it's time to configure the FreeIPA server. This involves defining your domain name, realm name, and setting the directory manager password. This configuration guide will walk you through the process. Run the FreeIPA server installation command, sudo IPA server install, setup DNS, no DNSSEC validation, allow zone overlap, reverse zone 10.10.10 in adder ARPA. The setup DNS flag instructs the installer to configure DNS automatically. The no DNSSEC validation flag disables DNSSEC validation, simplifying the initial setup. The allow zone overlap flag permits zone overlap used with caution in production environments. Replace 10.10.10 in adder ARPA with your actual reverse DNS zone. The IPA server install command will prompt you for critical information. Choose a domain name, e.g. example.com, or use a reserved domain like ipa.test for testing. The realm name is typically the uppercase version of your domain name, e.g. example.com. Set a strong, memorable password for the directory manager. After the installation completes, configure your firewall to allow the necessary traffic for FreeIPA to function correctly. This technical training emphasizes the importance of securing your FreeIPA server while ensuring accessibility. Open the following TCP and UDP ports in your firewall: TCP 80.443, 389, 636, 88.464, 53, and UDP 88.464, 53, 123. If using firewall, use the following commands. For I in 8443, 389, 636, 88.464, do sudo firewall cmd, add port RSI TCP, permanent, done. And for I in 88.464, 123, do sudo firewall cmd, add port RSI UDP, permanent, done, followed by sudo firewall cmd, reload. Access the FreeIPA web UI by opening a web browser and navigating to https://server.example.com. Replace with your server's FQDN. You may need to accept a certificate exception due to the self-signed certificate. Verify that all FreeIPA services are running correctly. Now, install the FreeIPA client on the Alt Server 10 machine or any other client you wish to join to the domain. This demonstration showcases how to seamlessly integrate clients into your FreeIPA domain. Install the FreeIPA client package using the following commands: sudo apt get update followed by sudo apt get install FreeIPA client. This command retrieves the latest package information and installs the FreeIPA client components. Run the free IPA client installation command, sudo IPA client install, mkhomedir. The mkhomedir option automatically creates home directories for users upon their first login. The IPA client install command will prompt you for the free IPA server hostname. If DNS is not properly configured on the client, you may be asked whether to proceed with fixed values. Provide the username of a user authorized to enroll computers, usually admin, and the corresponding password. Once the client is configured, it will be enrolled in the free IPA domain. This enables users within the free IPA realm to log into the client machine, subject to defined access policies. This configuration guide highlights the power of centralized authentication. Free IPA relies heavily on DNS. Ensure your DNS is configured correctly. If Free IPA manages DNS, configure clients to use the Free IPA server as their DNS server. Keep the server and client synchronized using NTP, Network Time Protocol. For production environments, setting up Free IPA replicas is highly recommended for redundancy and high availability. If you have existing systems using Kerberos, e.g. Active Directory, establishing trust relationships can be complex. Plan your domain and realm names carefully. Ensure reverse DNS is configured correctly so that IP addresses resolve to host names. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a domain controller with free IPA and DNS on Alt Server 10. Now take the next step. Explore free IPA's powerful features, configure user policies, and streamline your IT infrastructure. Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tutorials. Leave a comment with your questions, and share this video with your fellow system administrators. Start simplifying your identity management today.